Differences between 5-point Likert scale and 7-point Likert scale. 5-point Likert scale versus 7-point Likert scale. 5-point Likert scale offers 5 different options for the respondents to choose from. The options include 2 extremes, 2 intermediate, and 1 neutral opinion. Whereas 7-point Likert scale is legendary and has been used since 1932. It offers 7 different options to choose from and is majorly used by researchers. 5-point Likert scale can be used for measuring agreement, likelihood, frequency, importance, quality, and a lot more. Whereas 7-point Likert scale is commonly used to measure attitudes, knowledge, perceptions, values, and behavioral changes. 5-point Likert scale is less time-consuming for the respondents answering the questions to take decisions. Whereas 7-point Likert scale is more time-consuming for the respondents answering the questions to take decisions. 5-point Likert scale is more used in research. Whereas 7-point Likert scale is less used in research. Likert response labels of 5-point Likert scale and 7-point Likert scale are given along digits 1 to 5 and 1 to 7, respectively. 5-point Likert scale can help us to measure frequency, agreement, quality, importance, and likelihood. Whereas 7-point Likert scale can help us understand the views and perspectives of market towards your brand. Pros of 5-point Likert scale are many, such as 5-point Likert scale is easily understood by the respondents. It is ideal to evaluate the results of a large sample of respondents. Giving 5 different options to choose from increases the response rate. Whereas pros of 7-point Likert scale are many, such as it is the most accurate of the Likert scales as it captures the best sentiment of the respondent. It provides better accuracy in the results and is incredibly useful for researchers. It delivers more data points to run statistical information. Cons of 5-point Likert scale are many, such as customers have diverse mindsets with different feelings and responses. And this scale restricts them to 5 different options. If you want to understand the intensity of the customer's positive or negative response or want to add more variance, then the 7-point scale is preferred. Whereas cons of 7-point Likert scale are many, such as there is a negligible amount of quantitative difference in the data between the 5-scale and 7-scale variants. 7-point Likert items suffer from bias in response style. In short, the respondents have 5 different options to select from the Likert question, whereas the respondents have 7 different options to select from the Likert question. Example of Likert response labels. Here the example of 2-point Likert scale, 3-point Likert scale, 4-point Likert scale, 5-point Likert scale, 6-point Likert scale, 7-point Likert scale, 8-point Likert scale, 9-point Likert scale, 10-point Likert scale, and 11-point Likert scale are given along Likert response labels. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.